Quina 18. The Mysterious Death of a Neanderthal Child. This is the 7 to 8-year-old skull of a child which was discovered by Henry Martin in 1910 within the Quina rock shelter of France. It is estimated to be around 60 to 80,000 years old. Was this individual, like most 7 to 8-year-olds, wandering off and becoming lost, not being able to find his way back? Did they become ill and the clan was forced to leave them behind, unburied and unbutchered? What do you think happened to this child? Let me know in the comments down below. There is, however, another specimen found dubbed Quina H5. However, like Quina 18, not much information is known about this fossil either. Fortunately, and this is my main interest, is lithics. The main focus of the Quina rock shelter is the unique tool industry of the Mousterian. The tool industry found at Quina is often described as being thick, wide flakes, often scrapers, with heavy retouching on the face of the tool. The Quina tool assembly so far has been found in Belgium and France, both being found during the last glacial maximum period. Unlike most of the flake tools found in the Quina rock shelters, the cruciform hand axes are exceptionally well made. They're very thin and very uniform. Possibly the most famous example comes in the form of a black cordiform hand axe, as can be seen on the book titled Neanderthal Lithic Industries at Quina by Arthur J. Jekyllin. Thank you all for watching this video. I know it was short, hopefully it was sweet. You may notice from my last video a microphone improvement, and that can be all thanks towards Anthony from the Neanderthal Mind podcast. Links down below. You can find him on Spotify, or just go to your Google tab and search him there. If you would like to hear more about the Quina Industries, please let me know down below. I'd be happy to talk about them. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought about down below. See you guys.